Hey geeks, so let's talk about colleges and universities. So if you're just about to graduate high school, heading into maybe college or university, you're probably driving over to the campus, looking around, or even doing campus tours, and it's a very exciting time in your life. I could definitely relate with that because I've been there, done that. And back in the past, this used to be the roadmap for everyone, basically. If you wanted to have a good job, then college and universities was pretty much your main option, and for some people it would be their only option, and that was something that I went through myself as well. But nowadays, in our modern age, I would say the whole idea of going to college and university, getting a degree, it's not something that is required, especially if you think about the whole life of working on the internet, whatever it is that you do. But I really want to focus it on the whole creator aspect, whether it's here on YouTube or other platforms. For a lot of people who might not be into this, they might be thinking it's fun, it's a hobby, and definitely it could be, but you also want to think about all the skills and experience that you could gain from this. So let me give you an example. Right here on YouTube or on Rumble, which I'm also on, whenever you create content, you're doing more than just creating content. Okay, you're doing things like marketing, okay, specifically content marketing, because your content is put out there and then the algorithms show your content, and in that case you have to constantly market yourself. And then if you have something to sell, then there's the whole sales elements, and then there's this whole idea of design. You are creating thumbnails, you're thinking about how your pictures or videos look, so this whole element of videography, photography, cinematography. And then there's elements of filmmaking. A lot of these concepts that you're learning, these are all related to that, and so that's the whole entertainment industry. And then, as I stated earlier, the whole marketing side of it. There's content marketing, digital marketing, then there's influencer marketing, brand marketing. There's a lot of stuff there just for those things alone. And then if you think about the titles, description stuff, that is an area of marketing called copywriting. You're writing titles that actually gets people's attention to watch your video. And then there's this whole idea of journalism in some ways, because you actually have to present yourself. You have to tell a story and a narrative, and maybe that's not journalism, maybe it's just purely storytelling. You have to learn all those concepts and do it in a way that's convincing, and obviously you are presenting yourself in front of potentially millions or billions of people, so you kind of have to be an actor or actress as well. So there's so many things that I could list when it comes to the skills and experience that you can learn, and at the same time you could apply these things to the real world, which is exactly what I did, and that's how I was able to get work outside of just being a content creator. Content creation is something that I really enjoy, and I do make money from it as well, but it has allowed me to do other things and to make income in other ways. And that's the big message that I want to put out there, especially for people who are young and are thinking about going to college and university. But just realize that that is an important thing, and it's still valuable all around the world. However, it's not the only way that you can actually make a living and actually do the things that you enjoy, which I think is one of the most important things. If you can find something you can enjoy and make a living out of it, I think that's like the ideal for practically anybody, or the dream as some would say. And in this case, thanks to technologies and everything that we have here in our modern age, it allows people more opportunity to seek a life that's not simply the same as everybody else, and at the same time it also allows you to be you, which I think is super important in this whole creative space. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, any thoughts on colleges, universities, college degrees, or this whole internet content creation thing, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my videos on this whole idea of a creator lifestyle, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.